Good evening viewers, and welcome once again to the Home of Beautiful Cars, where I've got something very, very special here. A Mercedes-Benz 1987 300 SL in world-class condition. I don't think there's a better one anywhere. Only 74,000 kilometers. Hardtop 2+2 300 SL in world-class pristine condition. Under $100,000, only at the Home of Beautiful Cars. Look at this magnificent example. Just one moment. And here it is with the magnificent as new soft top. And just one moment. And here it is as a full topless convertible. Look at that condition. Oh my goodness, this car is absolutely pristine. It's a keeper. Only at the Home of Beautiful Cars, Australia-wide delivery. This is a magnificent car to drive, incredible investment. Ready to go.